Not all that wheezes is bronchial asthma. This is the saying of 1930s, but still a valuable pearl of wisdom, as many patients presenting with wheeze are misdiagnosed as asthma. Hello and welcome to this channel. Wheeze is a very common auscultatory finding in chest examination, and many of the junior doctors and respiratory therapists have the tendency to diagnose it as bronchial asthma. Although many a times the diagnosis is bronchial asthma, as it is the main and most common differential in patients having wheeze. But in this video, we will go through the list of causes that can lead to wheeze, and you will be able to appreciate that we can miss a variety of important diagnoses if we have only few causes of wheeze in our minds. As you know, wheeze is the sound produced when air is forcing itself through a narrowed airway. So based on the location of obstruction, the causes can be broadly categorized into two groups: causes leading to lower airway obstruction and causes leading to upper airway obstruction. And the second group can be further categorized into extrathoracic causes and intrathoracic causes. So, causes of wheeze in lower airways include bronchial asthma, COPD, pulmonary edema, gastric content aspiration, bronchiolitis, cystic fibrosis, carcinoid syndrome, lymphangitic carcinomatosis, parasitic infestations, and bronchospasms of various causes including anaphylaxis, toxic fumes, post-viral infection, and drug-induced bronchospasm. And now coming to the causes leading to upper airway obstruction that can cause wheeze. It should be noted that the upper airway obstruction usually causes stridor in most of the cases, but they can sometimes produce wheeze also. Upper airway obstruction caused by extrathoracic causes include postnasal dripping, vocal cord dysfunction, hypertrophied tonsils, upper airway tumors, retropharyngeal abscess, laryngeal edema or stenosis, laryngocele, vocal cord paralysis, relapsing polychondritis, cricoarytenoid arthritis, and granulomatosis with polyangiitis, formerly called as Wegener granulomatosis. And upper respiratory obstruction caused by intrathoracic causes include tracheal stenosis, airway tumors, foreign body aspiration, intrathoracic goiter, tracheobronchomegaly, tracheomalacia, and vascular compression. Evaluation of wheeze therefore consists of detailed history, complete cardiopulmonary examination, obtaining a chest radiograph, and spirometry with flow volume curves and bronchodilator response. I hope you have learned something useful from this video. If so, please like this video, share with your colleagues, and subscribe to this channel.